Pranam everyone. The second vowel of English alphabet is E. Today we are going to study sounds of E. It sounds A. Sounds of E means A. N-E-T, net. H-E-N, hen. L-E-G, leg. R-E-D, red. Now, E-T means at. Sounds of at. P-E-T, pet. N-E-T, net. Now, E-N, an. An. Sounds of an. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. Now, E-D, ed. Ed. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. So, today we have discussed the sounds of E. Thank you for watching my video.